In this video, I'll show you how to set up and start sharing compute with your phone using Acurast to get those ACU rewards. I will also show you what to do to get even more rewards, how to add more phones to your account, and how to take out your rewards. Everything is 100% for free, there are no costs involved, no subscriptions, nothing. And this is all super simple, anyone can do this, and it takes just 1 or 2 minutes. Let's get started. Pretty much any newer phone these days can run Acurast, but if you're unsure, you can go to this list I will link to below, where you can see all the different devices that can run the Acurast app. Not all phones have been tried yet by users, so if you can't find your phone model, there's still a good chance that it will work. The easiest way of starting with Acurast in just 1 or 2 minutes is to just get the Acurast Lite processor app in the Play Store or Apple Store, which is all we need. If we are just starting with Acurast and want to create a new account, we click Get Started here. The first thing we want to do is to create a backup. We write down these few words we see here, and that is in case we lose our phone, because then we will be able to get back to the same account and access our rewards by using these words. So make sure to write them down. Then to start sharing compute, we click on Open Processor to provide compute. We go through the setup steps for the work profile, which takes just a few seconds. And then when we see this window, we just give it a few minutes and it will start automatically. To get even more rewards from sharing compute, we also want to join the Cloud Rebellion, where we get missed points when we are sharing compute, which we are already doing, so we do not want to miss that. To do that, we go to hub.acurast.com. This is also the place where we will take out our rewards. I will leave a direct link to this site in the description below. Here we click on Quests. To get in, we need to use a code. You can use MG3GIF, do the CAPTCHA, and then join. And this pops up. The easiest is to use Acurast Lite. On our phone, we open this window, we click Acurast Hub, connect Lite, and scan QR code. So your phone should go into camera mode. Here on our computer or in our phone, we click on Acurast Lite, and we scan the QR code that pops up. And we connect our new account to the Acurast Hub. And then we are in. Here you can see under quests we can do a bunch of social quests to gather even more missed points that we can use for different loot boxes and other stuff to get even more rewards. If we want to add another phone, we then want to add that second phone to this existing account. That way all of our rewards are gathered in the same place, which is much easier to handle. To add another phone, you use the first phone and open this page, click the cogwheel, and onboard other devices, and it will show a QR code. Then I just take my second phone, get the Acurast app, but now I don't click Get Started, and I click Onboard with Hub and scan the QR code. And it will automatically add this new phone to the same account. And I just go through the setup steps again, and it will start sharing compute right away. To see all of your rewards, you can do that on the hub by clicking here on Balances. When you want to take out your ACU rewards, you go to Bridge. Here you can simply bridge the ACU from the hub to your wallet. You can either connect your MetaMask wallet, which is the easiest and what I do, or you can just paste in the address on the Ethereum network you want the ACU to be sent to. If you have any questions about Acurast, make sure to comment them below, and if this video helped you, consider helping me with a like.